If you want to create and share notes with Evernote, this quick guide will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're using Evernote for work, school, or personal organization, learning how to make a note and share it properly can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's start with creating a note. First, open the Evernote desktop application and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the green New Note button at the top. Click that button to create a fresh note. Now that your new note is open, give it a clear title at the top. A good title makes it much easier to find later, especially if you're managing a lot of notes. After that, click in the body area and start typing your content. You can write plain text, add files, or use checklists depending on what you need. This is where you can build out meeting notes, task lists, ideas, research, or anything else you want to keep organized. Once your note is created, the next part is sharing it. In the note list, select the note you want to share so it opens on the right side of the screen. Then look to the top right corner and click the green Share button. This opens Evernote's sharing options. From here, you have two main ways to share your note. The first option is by email. If you want to send it directly to a person, type their name or email address into the invite field. Then choose the permission level you want to give them. You can usually let them view the note or give them permission to edit it if you want them to collaborate. After that, click Send Invite and Evernote will send them access. The second option is to share by link. If you want something faster and easier to paste into messages or documents, click Copy Link in the sharing window. Evernote will generate a shareable link for your note, and then you can paste that link into an email, chat message, or anywhere else you want to share it. This is especially useful when you need to send the same note to multiple people quickly, or when you want a simple way to share information without adding individual email addresses one by one. Just remember to double-check the permission settings before sending, especially if the note contains private or sensitive information. And that's it. You now know how to create a note in Evernote, title it properly, add your content, and share it either by email or with a link. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.